Yo, let's have a house party experience with vacuums in it. You know what I'm saying? Here go two more Hoovers. As you can see, my Hoover Tempo to the right was not made with a headlight. But my Hoover Soften Light to my left was. You get to see them side by side. You get to see them run side by side. So basically what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make like certain videos that other people probably haven't really done per se. I guess you can call it like that. Like I'm just trying to so what I do is I watch a lot of different collectors. Don't get me wrong. A lot of y'all got some really good shit. I'm not shitting on nobody. A lot of y'all got some really good vacuums, bro. So I take my hat off to you. But I want to show like certain vacuums that some of y'all really don't have, or some of y'all don't show side by side. So here you go. Just in case you telling yourself, well, I ain't never seen no Hoover Tempo next to a Hoover Soften Light. After you watch this video, you can no longer say that. We're gonna go ahead and start with the Hoover Tempo. In case you can't see it that well, here's a closer look. Hoover Tempo, you know. The old Hoover Tempo. Not the new ones. I don't like the new ones, they ugly. And here go the old Hoover Soften Light. And just in case you can't see that one very well, there you go. And with these Hoover Soften Lights, I have a maroon one, I got this green one, and I got a blue one. And I think I have a gray one. No, my gray one, that's a runabout. But anyway, here you go. Side by side for you. Go ahead, watch, like, and subscribe. To all of my new subscribers, thank you. Thank y'all so much. I look forward to showing y'all so many other great vacuums in the collection. So stay tuned. Stay down and stay around. I hope to see you all soon. Peace.